Most people think booking a private jet is impossible unless you're rich. But I wanted to see what actually happens when you try to book one, so I started searching. Some sites look slick, like NetJets or XO, but they ask me to fill out a long form or create an account just to see flight options. Honestly, that felt intimidating. Then I found this site, links in the description if you're also curious. Right on the homepage, I could search flights instantly. No phone calls, no pressure. I just type in my route, New York to Miami, pick the date, added two passengers, and hit search. It told me the available flights would be sent to my email. That's it. No login, no pitch, just real pricing. Fast. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to book a private jet, even just once, this is probably the easiest way to try. I will drop the link below so you can check it out.